So let's start with today's mirchica thecha. Now over here I have 15 green chilies. I've taken the light green chilies. This is 10 cloves of garlic and 2 inches of ginger. For those of you who don't know what this is, the thecha, I'll explain it to you as we go along with the recipe. Now here I have about 1/4 cup of roasted peanut powder and 1/4 cup of 2 tablespoons of amchur powder. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And I have half a cup of fresh coriander. Now we're going to start by grinding the green chilies, the garlic, and the ginger. Now, thecha basically is a kind of a chutney which can be had, over a period of time. It can be kept refrigerated, it has a long shelf life. So now we're going to grind this to a very fine paste like this. So this is our paste ready. Now I'm going to heat about 4 tablespoons of oil. It's like a pickle come a chutney which has a very long shelf life and it tastes amazing with anything. Now we're going to add this to the hot oil. Fry this for a very long time till it changes color. It becomes from a lighter fluorescent green color to a little darker olive green color. Now we're going to add the salt and all of our powder masalas. That is the pepper, the coriander, the cumin. Mix everything really well together. And amchur powder is basically dry mango powder. It's easily available. Mix everything really well. So now we're going to add our peanut powder. Mix things well. And this is like, like a pickle. It goes well with anything like a pulao or a khichdi, jeera rice, anything. So add this amchur powder. You can have it even with plain chapatis or puris. Even you can make a sandwich with just a little bit of butter and this chutney. So fry everything well. Scrape the sides of the bowl till everything leaves the sides of the bowl and comes together. And now all you have to do is just add the lovely fresh kothimbeer, turn off the heat, and your lovely mirchicha thecha or green chili chutney is all ready to enjoy.
As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.